So here's our situation. We have a plain label in here, and the form's code is empty. So our goal will be to create a control wherein we can change or select a design for the text. So to start, we will add a class, and let's just call it design label. Let's just make it public, and we will add some references. And we will inherit the user control. So next, we will override the text property. And let's just show it on the properties window. Next, let's add a constructor. And we will make it double buffer to remove the flickering. We'll set the font. Next, we will override the paint method. So we will just change or set some properties on the graphics to remove pixelation. Next step, we will paint the text. So let's just use a linear gradient brush. Let's just set a color. Then next, let's just test. So let's just add it on the toolbox. And let's edit the text. So oops, we forgot something. Let's just modify the text property. And we just need to call invalidate. So let's test again. Let's just re-add. So it's working now. And then we will add the design options. So enum. So first, let's just call it metallic. The second one is aqua and neon. Then let's add the property. So text design. Now let's apply it on the paint event. Let's just cut it. Let's just change the color. Let's just test. Oops, I think we are missing something. So let's just try the property text design. So aqua. So let's just re-input the text again. Let's just copy the control. And the text is not working. So let's just change it. Aqua. Also this one. Neon. So let's just add another attribute to our text property. Designer serialization visibility. So let's just test. Let's close the form and reopen. So let's just copy the text and paste it in the other controls. So save. Let's just close. So there it is. And let's check on the designer.cs file. So there it is. It's now working. Lastly, we will add the border style effect or border options. So another enum. So normal, embossed, and shadow. So let's just add the property. So text border style. Now let's update the paint event. So basically, it's just a simple trick. We will just paint text, the same text, on the back of our actual text. And we will just reposition the actual text so it's look so that it will look like having a shadow or emboss effect. So let's now test. So let's just change this to emboss. So there it is. And this one shadow. There you go. Let's also try this one. So there you go.